On the Move, part 34. And the car wash. Getting the car wash hard, real hard. As the car going through the car wash, getting soap down, suds down, all that old good stuff. As you can see, we coming out the car wash now, it's getting sprayed. Woo! Hit it.